let crash be turning east.
You just turn it one way.
Okay, so what's your question?
Okay. Now, if you just want to see like where we are,
If you want to climb,
I want to climb
northeast of
40 feet.
40.
So if I just turn this,
So you gotta press VS first.
first VS first, and then just click one click.
That one is 100 feet per minute.
That's 100.
But you gotta set up the altitude here. So click here. You see how it says enter, and then altitude. Select. So now you're selecting the altitude. You know, you see it's flashing. Now you gotta move it here. So this one is your thousands, and then your hundreds. You gotta put it out, and then move your hundreds. See, put it in, and it's your thousands. Okay. So let's try to climb to 3,000, for example. You push this one out. So go ahead, push it out, and then move it to 3,000 or 0. Let's see if we change. So that's 0, okay. And now move the thousands to the 3. There you go. Now hit here again. Hit altitude. And your VSI, put it about like maybe 500 or 400, depends. So now the aircraft, give it a power. The aircraft will climb to 3,000. Looking around, there's no one behind. No one around us.
Alright, done. Alright, so.
And then it'll trim as well. He's trimming by himself.
Now. Yes.
Navigation, to use navigation, let's go ahead and put, so let's wait. Once it's reaching 3,000, you gotta put it 0 and hit altitude, okay?
Oh, okay, so it doesn't, that'll stay there
so
unless I change it.
Let's see if when it hits 3,000, it'll change it by himself, but I don't think so. I always change it, I'm pretty sure.
South practice area, White Skyhawk, 2 miles south of Messier range.
Yeah, see?
900 ground reference.
It's still climbing. So 0 and then altitude.
95's intercepting.
And now the aircraft will level off.
3,000.
Yeah, it's gonna trim.
It's
and it
trimming.
should take us down, right?
Exactly.
We are.
And then the only important thing about the autopilot is this one. If you want to climb, it doesn't do it by himself. It's the only thing it doesn't. So you gotta put it power or take out power. And then you have altitude. You also have decision height for your instrument. It also have a VS, but we can control it here. So we don't need that one. And then altitude. So he's trying to
right now,
just holding the altitude.
Right. Change the fuel, right? Okay, so we're on the left tank.
Okay, so
if I want to go down now, right?
VS, hit VS.
Hit VS, and I'll go negative, right?
So he's doing it in here now.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, there I go. All right. Now, when I get to 3,000,
then altitude. So press altitude, and it'll level off.
The level.
Right here. Yep. You see. Level in, level in.
And that 5.
Now practice air, West Gal 384 back. I got
So you see how it's flashing like the 3000 is flashing? It means because you're not 3000. That's it. If you
flashes to let you know.
Yeah, if let's say you want to climb, so data entry, it flashes select altitude, so 4000 for example, and then now 4000 VS, then here VS, and it climbs. So right now we're controlling the VS here as well. We're not using this one, we're using this one right here.
Alright, this is the autopilot STEC, and what do you call this?
About the middle of the lake. Head over to the
It's like a control for the control pilot, for the
Okay.
autopilot. Yeah, but we're not climbing to 4000, so let's just hit altitude
That should level
and
off.
it should level up. Yep, it won't climb more. Let's turn back to the east, so go ahead and change your heading back to the east.
And it should turn at best rate, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, you see. It just turned, smoothly.
I'm getting all this on the camera.
That's good.
I was picking up our voice, so this way I could replay it.
Uh-huh.
I'm not an expert at this, so, it should be...
So now for navigation, you go ahead and put Apopka X04. Enter. Now, if you want to use your GPS, you gotta click this one twice.
Oh, yeah.
Go on, two.
One, and then GPS.
Exactly. And now it'll follow the GPS. It won't follow your heading bug anymore. So that's how you change them.